Good afternoon. I am Ashok Kumar from Bhagurav Devraj Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Noida. Today we are going to conduct an activity that is debate cum role play. The class 10th A is going to conduct this activity in the memory of great Queen Ahilyabai Holkar. On the base of the great personality, we are going to conduct this debate activity. She was a great scholar, the great courageous lady, and the great administrative skilled lady. Through this activity, we would know how she opposed the Sati Pratha and the untouchability, and how she favored the women education and also the untouchability also. So through this activity, Baski, who is playing the role of Acharya ji, and Kirtika, who is going to play the role Ahilyabai Holkar, and Ritika, who is going to play the role of King of Indore, and the rest of the playing the role of courtiers. So let's see.
You know what, King?
Yes, Acharya.
Today, a lady came to the court and she was like, she wanted freedom, justice for widow women and remarriage for widow women. But I sent her back. Did I do something wrong?
Acharya, I would like to state my opinions on this topic. I think the lady should be allowed to marry again.
But women are always have been made to do the household work and they are not free to get educated and widow women to get remarried.
Acharya, women represent dignity. They have always taught their children. They have always guided men as their inspiration. They have served them as a mother, daughter and a sister in every aspect. In our culture, women are treated like goddesses. Then why are you putting these limitations on a goddess?
This is not a matter in our hands right now. I bear no interest in this argument right now. I am talking basis on the scriptures and Lady Ahilya should do the same thing.
The debate must happen on the basis of a Shastra.
Yes.
Please be seated.
According to the Shastras, a lady can only have one husband. That is also written in the Mahabharata.
But Acharya, the Mahabharata is not a Shastra. It cannot define our ethics and we cannot decide on the basis of that.
But all the other Shastras say the same thing as well.
Yes, the widow can't marry again. Yes,
Yes,
a
the
widow
widow
can't marry again. Ahilya, do you have any point to encounter the Acharya's statement? My lord, you are well aware about the Shastras. And they are an inspiration for her. But when the inspiration hurts her feelings...
Lady Ahilya, you are mocking our scriptures.
No, Acharya, I cannot even think about doing so. They are as important to me as they are for you. But if you want me to speak on the basis of the Shastras, in the Mahanirvan practices, it is said that a woman cannot die and self-immolate herself after the death of her husband. But if she does so, she is sent to hell, not heaven. Yes, Lady Ahilya is right. Yes, Lady Ahilya is right. The Agni Puran says the same thing as well, Acharya. Yes, I found. Then why we are not aware about this, Acharya? We have always been told that the Shastras are harsh for the women. You are right. The Shastras have never been harsh for anyone. They are made for our well-being and they are not harsh at all. I think the power of the Shastras is in the hand of the beholder.
I am talking on the basis of scriptures. My words hold meaning and not yours. You were talking about reform. Then listen to me carefully. Whenever one tries to change the laws or change the tradition as he or she wants, it defines the commands of our scriptures. And in this dark ages, Lady Ahilya's case is not status. And in dark ages only, tradition will be upheld.
Acharya, Ahilya has already justified her points on the basis of scriptures. So, why are you arguing now?
I have said my part, King. It's your turn to believe whomever you want. I am a holy man sent by the God, and if you not stop this right now, you are against the system, code, and sacred order.
Acharya, I will apologize if you tell me where did I speak something wrong.
You are not right here, Ahilya. You are not right here, Ahilya. You are against the religion, and I want to you stop this here, and no, I want no more debate now.
No more debate.
No more debate. No more debate.
Silence. I have made my decision now. I don't want to be biased for anyone. Every matter has
favors, and I favor Ahilya's point. And I, the king of Indore, decided that the self-immolating practice has banned now.
Hail Ahilya.
Hail Ahilya.